Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Let's begin with our book, Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 6 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with another new chapter today, that is chapter number 33, World's Industrialist. In the previous chapter, we had studied about the famous Indian industrialist, but now today we will study the industrialists from the other parts of the world. So let's begin with the exercise. The question says that you have to write the names of the super heavyweights from the world of business once again and take the help from the help desk. So let's begin with it. The first fill in the blank is Dash is one of the world's most successful stock investors and he is the chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway. And the name of this industrialist is Warren Buffett. Then the next is, he is the co-founder and the former chairman of Sony Corporation. His autobiography is titled as Made in Japan and his name is Akio Morita. Then the next question is, Dash is an American business executive, philanthropist and engineer. He is the chief executive officer of Apple. And the name of this industrialist is Tim Cook. Then the fourth question is, he is the founder, CEO and the president of the multinational technology company Amazon. And his name is Jeff Bezos. Then the next question, he is the co-founder of Microsoft Corporation. He and his wife are engaged in numerous philanthropic activities all over the world, and this industrialist is Bill Gates. Dash is the founder of the spacecraft company SpaceX Electronic and the name of this industrialist is Elon Musk. Then next we have Jack Ma is a Chinese businessman, investor, philanthropist and the co-founder and the former chairman of Alibaba Group, and the answer is Jack Ma. Then the eighth question is, he is an American media magnate, internet entrepreneur and a philanthropist. He is known as the co-founder of Facebook and the answer is Mark Zuckerberg. The ninth, the last one, he is the founder and CEO of Xiaomi, a Chinese smartphone manufacturing company, and the industrialist name is Li Jun. So these are the various famous industrialists from the various corners of the world. So this is all about the chapter. Only your answer please question for you children, that who is the chairman of the Samsung group of company, and you have to find the answer for the same. Write the answer in the book itself, and that's all for today. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.